G'day everyone, welcome back to Collective Shift. I'm trialing a new episode, perhaps daily crypto episode, where we're going to run through everything that's happened in the last 24 hours daily in about 5 to 8 minutes. So super excited about it. Again, my name is Ben from Collective Shift, and let's jump into it. So Bitcoin has had a nice increase overnight, 14% Bitcoin, 11% Ethereum, 23% for some of these other altcoins in the top 10, which is nice. Obviously, we had a decent pullback recently with everything that's going on in the macro landscape, so it was nice to have a little pump back above 43,000. Crypto market surge continues. Bitcoin tops 43,000, Ethereum nears 3,000. So this morning's rise in prices across the cryptocurrency market wasn't a short-lived blip. The price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top coins has continued to accelerate over the course of the day, with Bitcoin rising over 43,000. Bitcoin is up nearly over 15% over the last 24 hours. Trading is nearly as low as 34,500 over the past week. As you can tell, if you've been in the crypto market for a little while now, Bitcoin usually does the thing that people are least expecting. And we're looking into some charts recently on the Collective Shift platform. Checkmate did a post around the divergence between Bitcoin and Ethereum, and one of the charts we were looking at was the BTC percent balance on exchanges, which has been slowly decreasing over time. Many people have been hodling over this period. The majority has been hodling, giving us some pretty bullish Bitcoin view. And then also the tweet volume of Bitcoin versus Ethereum was much more bullish for Bitcoin, although we have had that pump for Ethereum, so that's been good. So Bitcoin and the wider crypto market saw a steep and sudden decline last week after Russia invaded Ukraine, ratcheting up the geopolitical tension. However, as Western nations have banded together against Russia and implemented sanctions against the aggressor, the markets are starting to tick back up, and quite rapidly. Coinbase is also the latest exchange to deny Ukraine requests to block Russian crypto users. So we saw this in Canada over the last few weeks with the Russian government basically banning anyone that was protesting, and they could shut down their crypto accounts. Now, again, I want to make this clear. People can only, or governments, exchanges can only shut down your crypto if you hold crypto in your exchanges. So as Ryan Selkis was chatting on Twitter recently, get your crypto off exchanges. What he's saying here is move your crypto to your ledger. This is where governments and banks can't touch your crypto. They can't shut you down. The decentralized nature of crypto allows you to be your own bank if you hold it in a cold wallet like a ledger or a Trezor. So please move your crypto off exchanges. Ukraine has also raised $20 million in Bitcoin donations over the past few days, which is amazing. I'm a big fan of crypto charities because it's fully transparent. You can see exactly where the money's going and being spent, rather than sending it to a non-for-profit company or entity where there's usually little to no transparency. So if I'm going to donate crypto, I'm going to send it to a transactional blockchain ID number or an address so I can see where that money's being spent. The biggest single donation was a unanimous donator of $3 million in Bitcoin heading to the Ukraine donation spot. If you want to send some Bitcoin or ETH, you can send it over to the Ukraine addresses here. Just be careful. Please always ensure that you're sending to the proper addresses. A lot of scammers tend to do some pretty bad things around this period of time and try and take donations and not actually go to the right cause. So please be careful. The news, KPMG in Canada buys World of Women NFTs. So KPMG in Canada, an audit, tax, advisory, and other professional services firm, announced on Monday it purchased non-fungible tokens as part of its corporate strategy. The firm purchased digital assets from the World of Women collection, an NFT project of 10,000 ads pop up, generatively creating images of women with a floor price of around 24,000 as of publication. The acquisition reflects our belief not only in the continued growth of NFTs, but in the value of World of Women and its mission. Having now gone through the process, we are well positioned to guide our clients around building a corporate NFT strategy, including acquiring and safeguarding NFTs, says Benji Thomas, managing partner of advisory services at KPMG in Canada, in a statement. HODL on a minute. eBay also could be adding crypto payments option soon, according to CEO. So we've been seeing a lot of these bigger companies starting to think about accepting crypto. We saw Apple Pay recently mentioned it might be adding Bitcoin payments to Apple Pay. And the e-commerce giant eBay sounds like it's heading towards us enabling crypto payments, which could even occur in March, according to reports. The company CEO, Jamie, was interviewed by media outlet The Street on Sunday, reportedly indicating eBay has been considering integrating crypto payments for quite some time and that an announcement could be made during the upcoming Investors Day on March 10. And the real Kiyosaki, Bitcoin defies Putin. Let's go Bitcoin. Let's go crypto. Stand up tyrants. Stand up to tyranny. Fight back. Don't be a pussy like Biden. So Bitcoin and crypto is starting to build its name in a defensible asset against macro landscape, which is exactly what it was built for, as a store of wealth. So I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. I've never been so bullish with everything that's going on in the world. We're seeing a lot of other markets sell off, and I think Bitcoin is definitely a safe haven where, as we're seeing the up 15% overnight, it's certainly a great asset to hold and continue to DCA in. So I remain super bullish. And in times of volatility, when we were down last week, it's really important not to panic. I saw a lot of people that bought in December end up selling last week because of the dip. This is Bitcoin. It does this. It's important to breathe. It's important to remember it's the same asset that you bought previously, and that Bitcoin is the most volatile asset on the planet, and it will turn around and come back up. So well done to those of you held. I hope that's been helpful. If you'd like more of these, please let me know in the comments. Give me a like, send me a message. I will continue to do more of these. If you like them, these little 10-minute, 8-minute daily wrap-ups of the market. Apart from that, I will leave you with it. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.